Introducing the Strut Lock Assembly from Duro Dyne. The Strut Lock Assembly is a fast, lockable solution for installing Dyn-O-Strut in single and multi-tiered arrangements for HVAC ductwork and equipment. The kit includes strut lock, zinc-plated square duct washer, and zinc-plated spring strut nut. Duro Dyne strut locks should be used only with the corresponding Duro Dyne wire rope. DSL 2, 3, and 4 for use with WC 2, 3, and 4 cable sizes. To install, insert the strut lock into the washer. Then lightly screw the spring strut nut to the bottom of the strut lock. Slide the assembly into the strut channel, and while holding the spring nut, tighten the strut lock. Loosen the threaded release cylinder on top of the strut lock and insert the wire rope through the opening. Depress the plunger to adjust the wire rope to the desired length. Once you have the desired length, tighten the threaded cylinder to secure the wire rope in place. The strut lock assembly works best in conjunction with Dyn-O-Strut Deep 1 5/8 by 1 5/8 and shallow 13/16 inches by 1 5/8 strut. Depending on the size used, Duro Dyne strut locks hold loads from 10 to 225 pounds. It is ideal for the suspension of rectangular duct, chilled beams, split systems, unit heaters, and more. The ability to pre-fit the assembly into the strut channel on the ground allows for minimal time working at heights. A threaded release cylinder allows for time-saving height adjustment. It can be used with single or multi-tiered applications. It has a 4-to-1 safety factor and is quick to install and adjust. The Strut Lock Assembly from Duro Dyne.